The alleged leader of the Klansman gang, Tesha, has been charged with murder and accessory to murder. A parish judge had given the police until 9:30 tomorrow morning to charge or release Mr. Miller. His attorney, Bert Samuel, spoke with our news centre earlier.
A question and answer session was held today at Halfway Tree Police Station involving Seatock police officers and Mr. Tesha Miller, where Mr. Aberdon Foote was there on his behalf. After the question and answer was completed, Mr. Tesha Miller was charged for accessory before and after the fact for murder. He's scheduled to appear in the Halfway Tree Court on the 9th of November 2018, and he also was charged for a murder from as far back as 2008 of one Dwight Chambers.
Tesha Miller was held on Monday by a team from Seatock at a plaza in St. Andrew. Another man and a woman were also detained.